I'm Anil Kumar. We are trying to understand the distributive property. In this particular video, you will look into geometric representation of binomial product. As an example, we have taken x plus 3 times x plus 4. Both are binomials, and let us see how to multiply them. We'll first do it geometrically and then apply the distributive property and see if we get the same result. So as we have learned, to find the product, we can take length and width of a rectangle and find area. Area is product of length and width, and if one term can be represented by length, the other by width, then the area of the whole rectangle will represent their product, right? So that is the very basic concept. So let's begin by sketching a rectangle. So this is our rectangle whose sides are, we are saying x plus 3. So this side is x plus 3. Now how to write x plus 3? So what we will do is that we will split this side into two parts like this. Do you see that? So one becomes x, the other one is 3. So we can write this as x and 3. So this is x plus 3. Now the other side also we will split in two parts, x plus 4. So let us say this is x for us and the other side is 4 for us. So we have x here and 4 here. So this is the other side, x plus 4. Now area of the big rectangle is sum of areas of these 4 rectangles. Let us find the area of each rectangle. X times x is x squared, so area of this rectangle is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 is 12. So that gives us the area of each small individual rectangle. Total area is sum of these areas, right? So we say total area is how much? Total area is actually x plus 3. This is the whole width, right? And x plus 4 is the length. So total area is product of these two, correct? That is equal to sum of these areas, right? So x squared, and then we have 4x plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. So that is how you can get area of the whole rectangle. So x plus 3 times x plus 4 can be written as x squared, I wrote it wrong, x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. Now second step of course is you can add the like terms. These are 4x and 3x like terms. We'll add them up, so you get 7x plus 12. So that becomes the area or the product of these two binomials, right? So I hope you understand how we can do it using the concept of area. Now we will do it using the concept of distributive property. Now distributive property is, we have x plus 3 times x plus 4. Now each term gets multiplied. So we can first multiply both these terms by x and then by 3 and then add them up, right? So let's do that. So that is the distributive property. So let's do that. So x times x is x squared plus x times 4. Always write the numbers first. And then the variable, so we get 4x. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 4 is 12. So we get exactly the same thing. Area of 4 rectangles, right? And then you combine, simplify it to write this as x squared plus 7x plus 12. 4x plus 3x is 7x. Correct? So that is how binomial property can be applied. In general, if I have a binomial, let us say a plus b times, let's say c plus d, then what happens? In that case, first you multiply the terms a and c, for example, right? So you get ac, a times C. So A with C, then A with D plus AD, and then BC, and then BD. So that will be the expression in general, right? So what you're doing here is that you're taking up each term. So here A and C are the first terms, right? And then you multiply A with D, the outer terms. BC are inner terms. And then BD, right? So that is what you do when you apply distributive property. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you and all the best.